In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can automatically save your stories to your camera roll. Okay, so once you've loaded up Instagram, you'll be on your homepage, and then you want to go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then you want to tap on those three horizontal stripes at the top right, and then you want to tap on settings. Now from this screen, you want to tap on privacy, and then you want to scroll down, and then you want to tap on story underneath the interaction section. Tap on story. And now you want to scroll down to where it says saving, and now you have a couple of options underneath saving, and the first option is save to gallery or camera roll. So if you toggle that on, your stories will automatically be saved to your phone's camera roll or your gallery. And then the next option is you can save story to archives. Everyone knows that once your story is finished, it goes into your archives. That's pretty self-explanatory. And then you can also save your live videos to your archive, so you don't have to go ahead and use up all the space on your phone for your Instagram lives. But just keep in mind that your live videos will be available in the archives for 30 days. So that is how you automatically save your Instagram stories to your camera roll. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.